Hey all, welcome to our channel. So, who are working about the mobile application like Android iOS application? How to know this? How to advertise by your app installs? One is called Google Play Store. Second will be App Store. We have number of applications into the Google Play Store and the Apple Play Store option. In these applications, how we can advertise by using Google AdWords option. Select campaign. There is the option name is called here. Click this one, all will be video. But direct option name is called app installs. In app installs, we have three options. Looking for new app install, existing app engagement, app pre-registration. Suppose you are launching any new application, you have to launching application for registration purpose. But my application will be already exist. I have to increase my app install. Somebody already install my application. That is nobody can use. That is the second option. Before app launching, there's a third option. Right now will be app install. I'm looking. There's a two platforms. One is Android, second will be iOS. Select Android. Here number of options are there. I'm selecting for Geo Cinemas. I'm advertising will be Geo Cinemas. Select it. Campaign name is called Geo Cinemas app. I'm looking this app installs. It's a newly launched. I'm looking for what is that? App install. Always remember any app promotion time 3 is compulsory important. New app install. If already existing app install user take action to the install by the here is the third one. Get new user to pre-registration for a app before launch. 3 condition compulsory important. Keep it in mind. If you are Android or iOS user. Here, click for continue. In the same policy, we can follow the campaigns structure here. First of all, here, what are the location target? Overall India. Why? Because Geo Cinema will be targeted by overall India. So that is my target will be overall India option. Next, language. This will be suitable by the all languages. In the Geo Cinemas, will be supporting for all language option. They will support for all languages. More settings. If any specific date you're running for particular campaign, I'm not mentioning end date any particular campaign. Reason I can change at any time on the particular same campaign. I can change my budget, my ad also we can change. That is the reason I'm not mentioning my end date. This will be not required to improve your enabled by the performance option. Attachment here, more setting, start end date. Attach feed, improve your target and enable ads, the future terms. Dynamic ad feed, Google Merchant Center. So we don't have this feature. Don't click this option. Click for next. After that, you select your budget. Budget, what is the goal will be? Install. There is nothing but CPI, cost per install, they will be targeted. Their target will be cost per install. Here, budget will be average daily budget. I give 1500. Suppose I give the 400. What will happen? No error. But minimum budget is called 500. We can go with the best budget for this. I'll increase my value purpose. We can go to with how many budget is the 1500. There is a only option name is called install value. This focus will be optimize your bid to the achieve the highest volume of new installs for your application. This is for app does not have any associated download conversion action. Add re-enable by the download conversion action before continue. This is not our application. I don't do this conversion action. The conversion action mainly focuses about that. What's your application and how much clicks is happening? Everything will be here. So conversion name, Zio. Next will be Zero application does not use the value for this conversion action. Use the value for conversion. Indian rupee for value 10 rupees and click through conversion window 30 days. Engagement view conversion window 2 days. View through conversion window 1 day. If the days increase, there will be fixed days. Here is the based on the dates you can change and based on your 1 week. Create and continue. You are already created Google Play app, install conversion action for this app. So already done. So no need to create for once again do this application. Click for cancel. Select here. Click back. Your conversion will be acceptable be here. Previous, they asking for your conversion tracking. Now will track added by this particular option. Next, this is the very important. Cost per install, they charges minimum 5 rupees 39 paisa. And mean by 5.40 paise. When you are accepting this budget, CPI will be activated. What the goal will be? The focus will be optimize your bid to achieve the highest volume of new install for your application. Any new app installs, you can go to this application will be accepted. Next. Final, what is the geo purpose? Geo cinema, sports, TV, and everything. Latest new movies. Cricket matches. Latest sports matches. Geo cinemas. Latest movies, trailers, teaser. So this ad will be visible by here. One is display network. Second will be search. Third will be YouTube. Fourth will be Discover. Fifth will be Google Play Store. And this 5 will be applicable only for mobile device. This ad will be not represented by the desktop version. Compulsory important, keep it in mind. Any application will be advertisement that only for mobile target, not for the desktop and we can use it for laptop. They only target by the way, only for mobile device. How many platform? Display network, search network, YouTube, Discovery, and Google Play Store. Suppose we can searching for Geo Cinemas. Here, this will be showing will be ad type. This will be search option. Display will be some other any website will be activate will be AdSense. There I will show you will be this kind of ad will be Geo Cinemas. Final. We can add 20 images, 20 videos, and 20 HTML files. Right now, I have 0 files will be images, videos, and HTML5 files. What will happen? Click for next. But here, small issue. Video showing will be empty. Reason? I'm not at the video option. So Geo Cinemas, click for video. We can go with the YouTube. Any Geo Cinema regarding will be their video. Just any one video you can select. Just for example purpose, I'm selecting one video here. Add video. Search YouTube. Click it. Add by. Let us see. See this. Below will be showing will be video will be here. They represented by the this particular option. So see this. Watch live sports, latest anything will be in your particular things. So here is the video option. Video, what is the thumbnail is there? Same will be shown to the particular customers. So this is represented by the, we can add 20 images, 20 videos, everything will be acceptance will be here. So that is the purpose. We can select from Google Drive option, from computer, select assist will be here. Asset library will be also will be, here is the option. So after adding this feature, click for next. The final one is called review your option. What's your campaign name, app type, app install, how much your per day budget, what is the purpose, and which country you are targeted, languages, and your complete assignment. Your assist will be one video, 4 headlines, and a 2 description. Here, one thing remember, this is the add group option. So how many headlines we can add will be here. There's a total up to 5 headlines. Description will be up to 5, but I'm adding only for 2. But how many I can fill? Only I fill the 4 headlines. We have total 5 headlines. The represent will be like this in this platform. Based on the platform, options will be changed. Latest sports match, TV, here is the display. What are the changes you will be here? So this is the represent your app will be install purpose. This will be main target, new customer. We can show our geo application app and target to install more and more based on the budget. So final report will be next, review, publish the campaign. So this is the method you have to follow to advertise your app install for using new customer. The option is called adwords. This ad will be shown to the customer will be total 5 platforms: display, search, YouTube, discovery, and Google Play Store. So same like you can practice from apps to application. What are the different? You can comment me my YouTube channel option. Any other further question, please contact my channel. I definitely will be supportive. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.